In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add logo in Brevo email template. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in Brevo and how to place and fine-tune your logo so your emails look professional and on brand. Start by opening your browser and heading to login.brevo.com. On the Sign In page, click Sign In with Google, then choose the Google account associated with your Brevo workspace. After you're signed in, you'll land on your Brevo dashboard. From here, open the Marketing section in the left navigation. Next, go to Campaigns. Find the email campaign whose template you want to update and open it. Inside the campaign details, select Edit Design to launch Brevo's visual editor. This is where you'll build and adjust your email content. Once the editor loads, look to the content panel for the logo block. Click and drag the logo block into your design. Most brands place it near the top of the email, above the main content, so it anchors your branding and helps readers immediately recognize who the message is from. After you've placed the logo block, click it to open its settings and make further edits. Here you can upload your logo from your computer or pick one you've already added to your image library. For best results, use a clear PNG or SVG, ideally with a transparent background, and keep the file size optimized so your email loads quickly. Adjust the width so it's easy to read without overpowering your header. Many teams find a range around 120 to 200 pixels works well, but choose what complements your layout. Use the alignment controls to position the logo left, center, or right based on your template style. Add descriptive alt text so screen readers can identify the logo and so your branding still shows in inboxes where images are blocked. If you want the logo to be clickable, set the link to your homepage or a key landing page. Fine-tune the spacing with padding and margins to create comfortable breathing room, and make sure the logo sits neatly with any header text or navigation you're using. Preview your email in both desktop and mobile views to confirm the logo stays crisp and scales correctly. If your template uses darker backgrounds, verify that the logo has enough contrast or use a version optimized for dark themes. Consistency matters across campaigns, so aim to match placement and sizing with your other emails. That's it. With the logo block added and configured, your template is ready and your campaign will carry your branding clearly in every send.